All right, Section 4. Chapter 1, Section 4. Learning target for today. Make sure you put this top of your paper, measuring angles. We are going to measure angles now. All right? You've done some of this. We did some of this in algebra. All right? We measured angles in algebra. But now we're going to go and we're going to start with the geometry side of it. We know that, and you have to know this, that this little sign out in front of it, this is called an angle. When you see something like this, this is an angle. And in this case, we're talking about the angle starting at point M, going to L, and then to N. So here's point M right here. All right? We're going to go to L. We're going to travel along this line here, and then we're going to travel up to N. All right? The angle they're talking about is going to be right here. How big is this angle? Here's a quick way to look at this, quick way to remember this. Notice that L is in the middle of MLN. You're looking at this point L and point M and N. This is where the angle is going to lie, is at L. It's always in the middle. All right? And then you count it off. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degrees. So in this case here, this equals 60 degrees. Make sure you put that degrees on there, not just 60, because 60 doesn't tell me anything. 60 units, 60 centimeters, doesn't tell me anything. But 60 degrees tells me it's an angle. Let's look at the next one. Damien, I'm looking at, you don't have to usually do that. Usually eraser comes up right away. But anyway, Damien, I'm looking at angle NLP. Angle NLP. So we're looking at this angle in here. What is that measurement? Can you count it? 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. See how we counted across this? This is 70 degrees. That's measuring angles right now, yes. Cade, I want to know what the degrees for this one is. Number 3, NLQ. 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 Now we got 2 ways we can do this. 120 degrees. 120. Here's what you can do. This starts at 0. Notice that here starts at 0 and it goes around over to 120. All right? I hate it when that happens. All right. Really? Am I bumping something? Okay. So this is 120 degrees. Trevor, OLP. What's my measurement on that? OLP. What is it? 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 degrees. Amber, MLQ. What is it? 180. It goes all the way across here, right? We already know that's 180 degrees. All right. Now, we have to learn what these angles are. Let me erase this puppy. All right. Acute angle. Acute angle. What does that mean? They're less than 90. They're less than 90 years old, so I'm acute.
Hey, there's a thing right there.
What?
Yeah, so you don't run into it.
What's it? This thing? Yeah, that thing there. Acute. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees.
You're acute.
What is an obtuse angle?
180.
Obtuse angle. It's greater than 90. Obtuse means they're hefty. All right? Obtuse. All right. What does right angle mean? 90 degrees equals 90 degrees. And then there's straight. What does straight mean? Amber, what does that mean? You listen to everybody else, but is that the right answer? Why? It's straight across, yes. 180. All right. So, Tyrese, let's talk about these angles. MLN. What kind of angle is that? MLN. It's an acute angle. Megan. Number 7. NLO. NLO. What kind of angle is that? Acute. Ken. MLP. What kind of angle is that? MLP. Is it less than 90? Is it greater than 90? Is it equal to 90 or is it equal to 180? How many degrees is this? 120. MLP. MLP. It's greater than 90, so it's obtuse. Don't swear in here. Cool. All right. Abuse. I'll abuse you. Alice, you're mixing me up now. Obtuse. I don't care. Okay. Scaling. What is number 9? OLP. OLP. What is it? Acute. Because we're all cute in here. All right. Casey, number 10. OLQ. OLQ. What is that? What is it? Right angle. Good job. Katie, number 11. Straight. MLQ is straight. Can you?
We don't even want an assignment. We win tonight, we don't need an assignment. Trevor, look at what we did to them guys in the scrimmage.
Who's that? All right, let's see. What is another angle? What is another name for angle XYW? Damien, what's another name for an angle XYW? What is it, Damien? Shh. Damien. XYW. Is it less than or greater than? Is it less than or greater than 90? It's greater, so it'd be obtuse. That is not very nice. What is another name for WYZ? Cade. WYZ.
That's a 90 if you're looking at it. I'm just kidding.
Acute. That's an acute angle. All right. says measure these. We don't have protractors. Don't worry about that. If you have it on assignment, go ahead and get started on your assignment.